नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Respected teachers, organizers and my dear students of Sri Prakash Vidyaniketan, Visakhapatnam, I am very happy to meet this time through online in the occasion of National Youth Day 2021. On this occasion, we remember Swami Vivekananda and have his inspiring message through which we can build up our personality as well as our national integrity. Our main goal is, human goal is to have the great joy which is not disturbed by any limitations. For that we study in the colleges, go for any trainings and self-analyzation, whatever means we accept, but we want that result. For that we have education as well as some moral values. Without moral values, this education becomes a mere dry knowledge. The proportion we expand our mental faculties, intellectualism, the same proportion we also should expand our emotions, good feelings, that is heart expansion, feeling for others, concern for others, that is called positive emotions. If that positive emotions are there, this intellectualism or our intelligence will be well motivated, because without any good instrument we cannot achieve good result. Similarly, when we want to be good, that we should achieve first. A good person only can do good things. Mere ambition, mere expectation will not give fruitful result. If we want to serve a nation, a community, a society, even our family, we should have first good understanding of family, society, community and nation. For that we should have clarity of our thinking. There are so many positive thinking as well as we have other negative thinking also. Always dominates negative thinking in us. So you control them by good habits. Improve real qualities that we want, which will help us. For that we have first a idea. Whatever harm you, whatever displeases you, whatever you do not like, such things you don't commit to others. This is first fundamental thing every one of us keep in front of us and add all the things, whatever we have, whatever capacity we have to achieve other things, it will give boost to this highest value. For that, Vivekananda says, you remember, not only remembering, it is a fact, you convince yourself, that is, you are essentially divine. You are essentially divine, not an ordinary being. Within you, you have tremendous power, infinite strength. You have infinite knowledge within you. So what more a human being need from external help to evolve? Remembering this, have confidence within you. Don't allow any weak thoughts. Never think that you are weak. If that self-confidence is grown within you, you can achieve wonders in the life. You will be good instrument for building this Bharat, Mahan country, great nation. Our heritage can be flourished. We can spread throughout the globe. For that we should have three qualities, Vivekananda says. One is purity, another is perseverance, another is patience. First you should have physically, orally, mentally purity. When mind is pure, thoughts also will be pure. When thoughts are pure, actions will be pure. When thoughts and actions are pure, our behavior will be pure. With that basic, if we strive, whatever capacities are given by God, that we constantly go ahead. There is no any expectation, disappointments, comparisons, competitions with others. But when gradually we attempt, then we need sometime patience. When that patience is continued, the effort is done, our mind always kept in pure, surely we will do wonders and miracles in the world. So our human effort will be always goes with the two results. One is positive, another is negative. But both will help us to build up our character. Every work gives two types results. One is profit, another is experience. By profit, you can have tangible experience of the result, but the result you get the experience, impressions, knowledge that will give clear idea for our future plans. So this keep in our mind. We have to take always positive ideas wherever you get, whatever you get, understand them, reason them, convince yourself, assimilate, put into practice. When you put them into practice, then surely you will get the result. When that result is positive, you will be a great person. When that result becomes other way, you further and further you struggle. Anytime, you never think that you are weak, you cannot do. Try, again and try, again and again you try, so that you can get convinced. Conviction will come, then you can achieve things. Overnight nothing can be achieved. Constant effort should be there. Patience also should be there. That will be the secret for success. That's why Vivekananda says, if a person has these three, purity, perseverance, patience, for him everything is possible. But it may take some time, that's all. He will surely success. If that successful person can do anything good for the country, otherwise impure persons, whatever they get, even positions, power, but they misuse, they will be hindrance for national growth. My dear students, I expect you, all of you, at this stage itself, if you have this vision in front of you, surely you will be a great person, Mahatman. Then you can serve the nation as Vivekananda expected, or great patriots who sacrificed their life for this Mahan Bharat. May Swami Vivekananda bless all of you. This is my earnest prayer, and my blessings to all of you, students and staff and organizers. Thanks for Sri Vasu Prakash Garu for arranging this program. Thank you. Namaskar.
Talk to yourself once a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. The strength is within yourself. I will use my inner strength to develop a nation that has a self-confident young generation.
All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Yes, being a youth, it's my duty to use my power to do the acts that make my nation strong and wealthy.
The power of the mind is like the rays of the sun. When they are concentrated, they illuminate. Yes, let us illuminate our nation with our tremendous willpower.
Think of an idea. Make that idea your life. Make sure that the idea flows through all parts of your body. Think of it, dream of it, and make sure that all the other ideas are left behind. This is the path to success. We, the young generation of India, will make sure that millions of such ideas will be put into practice for the successful growth of our nation.
Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, then reject as a poison. Let's be strong physically and mentally.
3 golden rules of Swami Vivekananda. Who are helping you, don't forget them. Who are loving you, don't hate them. Who are believing in you, don't cheat them. I dream of a world where gratitude and kindness flow in the heart of each and every young mind.
Conquer yourself and the whole universe is yours. Self-control will help us achieve all our goals and reach the extremes of our dreams. I, being a part of this future India, will work my hardest to make my country conquer over all its odds.
The world has been looking at India since times immemorial for the galaxy of spiritual inspiration. I deem it a great privilege to share with all of you that we Prakashites are celebrating the National Youth Day commemorating the 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached, said Swami Vivekananda. We Prakashites are all set to arise, awake and stop not till all our goals are reached. I hope and wish that all of you would be inspired. Here is a small tribute from us Prakashites.
मन में ताकत दिल में हिम्मत तेरे नाम से ही मिले मन में ताकत दिल में हिम्मत तेरे नाम से ही मिले मुरझा कर मायूसियों में मुरझा कर मायूसियों में फूल सारे फिर खिले मन में ताकत दिल में हिम्मत तेरे नाम से ही मिले स्वामी विवेकानंद